Greetings, brothers and sisters. This is Ekong here from Eat to Live Not to Die. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare an excellent cough medicine for you and your children. Right now I'm in the United Kingdom and it's getting very cold, and a lot of people are going to be suffering from the flu, fever and all of these things. So I'm going to show you how to make something that's really good for the immune system. Keep it high, keep the fire going. So this is called Gordo Lobo, also known as mullein leaf. Without Dr. Sebi, I would not be doing what I'm doing. Rest in power, Dr. Sebi, who has now become my ancestor. I love you. Now, this is what the mullein leaf looks like. You can even smoke this, brothers and sisters, if you want, if you choose to. People do smoke it in Mexico. Very, 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 very good for the lungs. Now, this is called elderberries. Elderberries is very high in iron. So it's very good to keep the blood clean during this cold weather, okay? Elderberries is extremely high in iron. So it helps to dissolve toxins from the blood, and it also sends lots and lots and lots of oxygen-rich blood to the brain, all right? The other thing that we put inside of it is sarsaparilla. This herb right here has the highest iron content in the world. So we definitely want that to be going into our tea as well. I've mixed everything together and I'm boiling it. So I have put 250 mils of sarsaparilla, 250 grams of sarsaparilla, 250 grams of elderberry, 250 grams of mullein leaf. And I've put all of that into, let's say, 3 liters of water. And I am gonna put that on the lowest heat and I'm gonna leave that for an hour. I wanna get the pure concentrate of this. I don't want to put too much water. Too much water, it's going to be too weak. We're going to put just enough so that, the water is not really, you can't really see it, but it's there. Just a little bit underneath the herbs. So you boil that for about an hour on the lowest heat, let that proper simmer, and then it's done. Strain it and drink it. So 150 milliliters of this every day, twice a day. And you'll be feeling like Superman or Superwoman. Remember, during the cold, imagine the blood is like water. You see, when it's cold, your blood starts to get thick. It's turning into ice, so to speak, because it's too cold. But when it's hot now in the summertime, people that are out there living in hot countries, your blood is free, it's moving, so you feel good, the energy's high. But you start to feel weak and sluggish when it's cold, because your blood is now coagulating, if that's the word. It's coming together, it's thick. So you want to loosen and free up your blood and, so to create the spark in your body. Because remember, iron is the spark plug of the human body. So you want to keep that fire burning by using these herbs, brothers and sisters. Love.